In today's video, you will learn how to underline text in Microsoft Word. To begin, position your mouse pointer over the text you want to underline. Left-click and hold the mouse button, then drag across the entire area you want to format. This allows you to select a specific word, a sentence, or a larger block of text depending on your needs. If you want to underline everything in the document, there is a faster method. Press and hold the Control key and the A key on your keyboard at the same time. After a brief moment, the entire document will be highlighted and ready for formatting. Once the correct text is selected, you have two easy options to apply the underline. The first option is using a keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Control key and press the U key at the same time. As soon as you do this, the selected text becomes underlined. This shortcut is especially useful if you prefer working quickly without moving your hands away from the keyboard. The second option is using the toolbar. Look toward the top left area where the text formatting tools are located. There you will see a small letter U with a line beneath it. Left-click on this icon and the selected text will be underlined instantly. This method is helpful if you prefer using visual controls or if you are already adjusting other formatting options like font size or style. If you decide that you no longer want the underline, removing it is just as simple. With the text still selected, press the same Control and U keyboard shortcut again, or click the underline icon once more. This action toggles the underline off and returns the text to its normal appearance. If you ever forget the keyboard shortcut, you can hover your mouse over the underline icon in the toolbar. A small tooltip will appear, showing the shortcut for underlining text. This can be a helpful reminder, especially when learning new formatting tools. These steps work the same way whether you are underlining a small section or the entire document. With just a few clicks or keystrokes, you can quickly apply or remove underlining as needed. I hope this brief tutorial helped you understand how to underline text efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial video.